Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, with today's value tip number 5, and the word is confidence. And confidence is the feeling of certainty about something or someone. I've experienced confidence most of the times in my life is when I'm clear or I have a better understanding or belief in someone or something. And the way I acquire that is simply by asking questions. When I'm unclear or I'm not sure or I can't really believe what you're saying, I ask questions. And one of the things I find is if there's not an ability to ask questions, my answer is no. And if I ask questions and the person isn't gracious or they get disgruntled or frustrated with my question asking, then the answer is no. So I've learned that it helps me to have that confidence, and actually it allows me to do a much better job when I'm confident. So again, ask questions, get your confidence, and move forward. This has been Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.